We'll clear out through here and try to line him up at the 21 north.
Is that him behind me?
Yeah, he's directly behind you. Fort Smith, we're going to be 1024 with it.
1037, get in front of me if you can.
1037, 21 northbound, traffic's moderate. Taking exit 21, coming out to Column Lane.
Exit 21 to Column Lane.
Turning on the Column Lane. Going away from the school. Westbound on Column Lane. No traffic.
Copy, westbound on Column Lane, going away from the school.
Speed's 100.
Speed 100.
He just tossed something.
He tossed something out just before Brookhaven Drive. We're still westbound, speed's 90.
Saw something before Brookhaven, speed's 90.
Or you may watch it up here, you may lose it around this bend. Alright, now we're on Pecan Grove Road. Going back north on Pecan Grove Road.
Copy.
Speed 90 plus.
Copy, northbound, Pecan Grove Road, 90 plus speed.
Hey, he threw a bag out in that corner right there. A black bag.
10-4. It's the first sharp corner on Pecan Grove when it comes back to the west. There's a dirt road right there. That's where he threw it out at. Speed 60, 70, no traffic.
Speed 60, 70, no traffic.
Hey, I got a little bit of brake fade up here.
We're coming up to 282 in Rudy. Coming up to 282 in Rudy, if you like county, no?
282 Rudy.
Speed 50, still no traffic.
No traffic, speed 50.
We're still on Pecan Grove. We're going to be coming up to 282.
On Pecan Grove, coming up to 282.
Y'all be careful coming around this bend. There's some construction up here. We just passed Kelly Road. We're still on Pecan. Just past Kelly Road.
Just past Kelly Road on Pecan.
Alright, we're about to be back on 282. We're about to be back on 282. We're coming up to it right now.
Clear right, clear left.
Alright, we just passed through Old Rudy Road. just past the old Rudy Road. Coming up to 282.
Wrecked out, running. On the ground, on the fucking ground now. On the fucking ground. Get the fucking ground.
I'm a fucking
Get the fucking ground. Put your hands on your back. Hands on your back. You hear me?
I am! Motherfucker, I'm a fucking passenger, you fucking
Will you
idiot.
shut the fuck up, you fucking idiot. That way.
Bro, you really just socked me my fucking
Yeah,
shit?
you won't give me your fucking hands, stupid fuck.
Well, I'm getting on the
Shut
fucking
up.
ground, man. Trying to get my
I told you
fucking
on the
hands,
fucking
man.
ground.
Fuck
Shut up.
you, man.
Shut up.
You fucking punk ass bitch. Yeah, you were tough, ain't you, man?
I am.
I'm a fucking passenger, dog.
Good job. Throwing shit out the window, too.
I didn't throw shit. I threw my fucking beer right there.
Yeah, you're drunk then, right? Public
No, I'm
talk.
not
Shut
drunk,
up.
you fucking idiot, man. You're real fucking tough.
You're the one on the ground. How about you shut up, punk?
Huh?
Yeah, shut up.
What are you gonna do, dog?
I already did it.
You fucking bitch. I'm a fucking passenger, you fucking idiot.
Hey, back in there. I didn't see him.
Got other cars to be goddamn wrecked, man.
Hey, I'll hold it right here.
I got other fucking cars to be wrecked, dog.
Hey, we're on Pecan Grove. He went
Can you at least set me
north
up, man?
into the
By
woods.
your car or something?
What?
Can you at least set me up by your car?
Give me a second.
Alright.
I got one detained.
Alright.
We're good. Hey, did you see anybody running up that way?
See somebody come out nowhere in that yard.
Hey!
Yeah, I think. I don't know, man.
Hey!
Saw somebody come out where?
Holy!
Where you see somebody come out, sir?
Hey, Troop! Over in that yard.
Backyard back there?
Come here.
Hey, I saw somebody come out in this backyard over here.
Hey!
What?
Y'all stay chasing him. I can tell.
What?
Y'all ain't gotta stay chasing him.
Why?
I give you his name and shit.
You do know his name?
Yeah.
What's his name?
Stay here, please.
25,000.
Hey.
You done socked me, you big motherfucker. I ain't gonna run from you.
That way.
No.
He be back in there somewhere.
That's my house.
He went through your yard, I
Can I stand here, please?
think. I can send you up.
Can't believe you hit me, dickhead.
You gotta give me your hand.
I know, man, but
I ain't gonna fight you on the side of the road one by myself.
nah, no, I feel you.
All right.
Yeah, I mean, you search me. I ain't got shit on me. man.
Okay. How much you had to drink?
I really had nothing to drink, man. We had a few beers in the car. I just had it in my hand whenever I got out, so I just tossed it in the grass, man, because I didn't know what y'all about to do, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, but I'm just passing that. I can't control dude on that. Can I look at my eye in the mirror? Am I going back eye?
Right.
Yeah, no.
I got you.
One's backyard.
dick.
His residence.
Ah, we're straight. I ain't shit.
Actually, that's where I punched you. That's from the ground.
Yeah, I ain't shit. You don't work out, do you?
Nah, man. What's your name?
Colton Waldman.
Okay, do you have an ID in there?
I don't, but man, I probably got a misdemeanor warrant for Smith, so there's no reason for me to lie to you.
Okay.
But I
How
can
about
give-
this? I'll put you in here. Come on.
We're having a check.
Hold on. All right, hop in there. Okay.
Got it.
Hey, maybe somewhere that way. Hey, he ran off that way. Somebody said he crossed the driveway.
He's in this shop over here. The shop door's locked.
Hey, dude, he ain't got no firearm in that. promise you he don't.
Copy.
Well,
I'm a kid, bro. I mean, y'all still gonna go in there like that, but he ain't got no weapon on.
okay. I think they got him.
We got several county units with us.
Yeah.
I mean, if they don't, he's gonna get out of there. Fuck, I mean,
Man, you gotta get better friends.
I don't know.
What is your first and last?
Should just take
Your
you releasing that.
last name?
Walden.
Spell it.
10-4.
WALDMEN.
3. The first object he threw by Brookhaven, was that on the left or right side of the road before or after Brookhaven?
That first thing was beer, and in the corner it was a black handbag. I forgot what corner that was.
That ain't got shit to me. Y'all can fingerprint that motherfucker.
Alright, Alma has the black handbag and they were taking a photo of it. You're comfortable saying this was a beer can or something down here?
Y'all got out with me.
10-4, I'm comfortable saying that was liquid now.
Okay.
I can show you what the
Well,
black
I
tag
mean,
is on
from
that
this,
corner.
Alma has the black bag. I don't know what's in
My
it.
first name, Colton.
COLTN,
TEN.
and your day of birth.
12/15/1993.
Yeah, you might have one or two, man.
Huh?
You might have one or two.
Yeah, I think it's Sebastian.
I mean, what one's that of?
There's one out of South Dakota and one out of Fort Wayne, Indiana.
Is that
might pop up.
Brookings?
Yeah, but it's non-extraditable.
Yeah. Fort Wayne.
Yeah, Fort Wayne, Indiana.
Yeah. 1 second. H4 Fort Smith. I got one by name, date of birth, February 29.
Go in.
Last name Waldman, William Adam Lincoln David, Mary Adam Nora. First name Colton, Charles Ocean Lincoln, Tom Edward Nora. Middle name is James, common spelling. David, 1993-12-15. 1993-12-15. Lot Mill, Arkansas.
I need myself.
Just area wide 29, please.
What's that?